How to delete your Viber account. Want to remove your Viber account? Viber doesn't have a direct delete option, but you can deactivate your account so all your data and messages are removed. Let me show you how. First things first, open your Viber app and tap the More button. That's the three little lines in the bottom right corner. Tap Settings to access all your account options. In Settings, tap Account, then scroll down and select Deactivate Account. Viber will explain that this will remove your messages, groups, and Viber history permanently. Enter your phone number to confirm, then tap Deactivate. Your account will be deactivated immediately. Keep in mind this action cannot be undone. Your Viber data will be permanently removed. If you reinstall Viber and sign up with the same number later, it will be treated as a new account. All old messages and groups will be gone, so make sure you have backed up everything important before deactivating. And that's it, your Viber account is now deactivated and all your data is removed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.